evolution. Today we are going to learn about the apparatus which is going to use in the experiment. First, this is called as a beaker. Beaker, as you can see, it is a wide cylindrical glass container that used for mixing, heating and stirring liquid. Second, this is called as a test tube. Test tube is a small glass tube for holding, mixing or heating small quantity of substance. This is called as a evaporating dish. As you can see, it is a shallow dish in laboratory used for heating, evaporating liquid behind solid living. This is called as a measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder is a long, narrow container with marking to measure the volume of liquid accurately. This is called as a funnel. Funnel is a tool for pouring liquid into container with small opening without spilling. This is called as a burette. As you can see, it is a long graduated tube for accurately dispensing valuable volume of liquid. This is called as a pipette. Pipette is an instrument used to measure out or transfer small quantity of liquid in volumes of milliliters. This is called as a microscope. Microscope is an instrument for viewing tiny detailed structure that is not visible to the naked eyes. This is called as a thermometer. As you can see, there is a marking over here and it is a device for checking the temperature of liquid. This is called as a stirring rod, a tool for mixing or stirring chemical solutions and liquid. We can use this for stirring the chemical solutions and liquid like this. This is called as a Bunsen burner, a small gas burner for heating substance in a laboratory. This is called as a petri dish, a shallow dish for cultivating cell and observing microorganisms. This is called as a tongs. Tongs is used to handle hot or chemically dangerous material safely in the laboratory. This is called as a conical flask or titration flask. It is used to hold and measure chemical liquid sample. This flask, as you can see, it is a flat bottom, conical body and a cylindrical neck. This is called as a round water flask. It is also used for distillation chemical reaction, heating liquid sample and storage demand. As you can see, this flask has a round bottom and a cylindrical neck. This is called as a watch glass. It is a circular concave piece of glass used in a chemistry as a surface to evaporate a liquid, to hold solid while being weighed, for heating a small amount of substance, and as to cover for a beaker. This is called as a test tube holder. A test tube holder is used to hold test tube. It is used for holding a test tube in a place where the tube is hot or should not be touched. A test tube holder can be used to hold a test tube while it is being heated, like this.